I'm shopping with Wags. I'm Wags and I'm shopping with myself. See how that works? Check this nice little doohickey display, huh? Nice and neat. They're fully stocked and loaded. Let me just give you a clue of what's coming. See, the president was on TV saying there's going to be some food problems coming. We all been telling you for a long time, but whatever, do you. Check it out. Black beans, right? All right. Pinto beans. See how that works? See, yeah, hang on. 2 for $1. So that's a good price. 2 for $1.25. You better get them now while you're putting your $50 a can, or not. Look at what the sign says. See how this right? Rice and beef. This is, you guys are gonna be eating bugs. See how that works? Oh shit! Then you get to this side. This is called Marketing 101 with Wags. See how this is called homeschool class with Wags. Look what they're telling you. Look at these bags, pre-bagged. By the way, this is a good idea to do. We still gotta put them in containers. But here, rice and beef. I thought that said cheap. Oh, cheap eating. See, it does say that. That's what I thought I just saw. Oh my, you're hearing me live doing this. Oh, rice and beans, cheap eating. See how this works? $1.29 a pound, or 2 pounds. So it's actually a good price, 65 cents a pound. And then the brown rice, which is actually better for you. Do your homework or not, don't. Whatever, do you. But little 1 pound bag doohickey. See how that works? This could save your life someday or not. Oh shit. Oh, and look, we go to this side. We got even the bag beans. See, this is good if you don't want to do cans. You gotta look up how to treat these. You're not gonna have internet, so look it up now. Print the recipe. See how this works. But anyways, yeah, see how that works. My hand's killing me today. I'm just chopping wood and shit. Anyways, or not. Anyways, I think this is called a clue here. Frijoles. Look at this. Pinto bean. Where are they getting this stuff from? Nicaragua or something, but hang on. 179. See, cheap carbs. See how that works? Because you're gonna be eating bugs. That's your protein, the bugs. So would you like a little side of bugs with this frijole negros? See how that works? Yeah. How about frijoles pintos? See how that works? Look at that. Oh, and look, you gotta add. I can't stop. This Shopping Wags channel is really taking off. Just so you know. Check this out. Eat some fucking pickled eggs. Really? This is for long-term storage. What are they telling you? I don't normally see pickled eggs on a whole display. See how this works? Or some pickled pork sausage. See how that works? Or Polish, whatever this garbage is. See how that works? Oh, you're gonna love it. You guys, you gotta stand by. I hope you got coffee out. I don't hold up the lines here. Hang on. Pork hocks. Oh my God, you're kidding. The knuckles. See how that works? These are pig feet, folks. Welcome to the plantation. This is what you're gonna get. See, until the bugs get here, you gotta eat this garbage. See how this works? How much is it? $22.99, by the way. It ain't cheap. You get a 2 pound jar of some pig feet. I'm sorry, I'm laughing. This is getting really freaking humorous. This is what the elite think of you garbage. See how that works? You grass feeding, pickled, jarred humans. Here's a little baby jar. See, for your bug out bag. See how that works? $3.50. A couple eggs. See how that works? Oh my God, this is getting creepy. Now, I've been shopping a long time. I don't remember stacks and stacks of pickled eggs. Oh shit. Then they go on to olive. Maybe this is a clue too. These olives, see this? These are probably some dark arts clues. See how that works? This is all jarred. Look at this is jarred asparagus. Why? What are they telling you for your shelter? See how that works? Sex olive. What? Are you kidding me? Spicy pickled. Well, you're gonna be doing a lot of this garbage when you're eating spice. What is this? Spicy pickled asparagus with your bugs. See how that works? Are they fucking with us? This is Mr. Cuckoo's? Mr. Ocock? That's what it looks like. If you're into patterns, I don't know, do you? Pickled mushrooms, see how that works? I don't think I've, in my life, I'm pretty old. Not as old as some, but I don't remember ever in my life seeing pickled mushrooms as a delicacy. See how this works? See, because they know you're not jarring your own food, so the government or whoever is trying to help you out. Say, here, get some pickled mushrooms. See how they work? Oh, this is called a clue, folks. There's nobody here. Nobody even knows what's coming. It's like a ghost town. Look at all the freaking frozen meat now they got. See, all of a sudden, all the inventory's back. Look at this garbage. Oh, by the way, the turkey's $9.99 for that package I was showing you for like $5.99 a few months ago. Just saying. Still light on the chickens. See how this works. See how this works. It's so sad. What they've done to us in 2 years, besides what's coming, but just that poor lady still wearing also really. Yeah, I'll end it here. This is sad. I can't believe people are still. It's not their fault. This was done to you. Cheap carbs.